Nangulabnan. Tolentino, you were saying? For Sosa. Kept in play. It's going to be a big shot to the other side to keep it in play. One more time. Blocked!
Sinabi mong pumersyento na kay Brook, so the block of galleries also knows that it's gonna go to Brook Bicycle Baliton there. Another block point.
As you know, in volleyball, walang time. No, there's no clock that you can play with. It's just the points that you have to finish with. Maraña stretching. Valentino sends it high. Vancicos! Baliton scoring on the block!
Impressive. I want to be Baliton's teammate right now. Like, yes, that